Hello everybody and welcome to another video where today I'm playing hybrid animals and I got to level 42.
Wait, do you have your camera?
Yes.
You do?
Yep.
You should do a video.
I am. I got to level 42 and whoa. Oh jeez. And I am stomping on everybody. Okay. And I'm on level 43, which is actually pretty easy. And this game is like you make a hybrid animal. Mine was a half alligator, half T-Rex. And then you collect these orb things to level up and then craft things and stuff. So I load up again. Now I need health regen. And then when you get to 6, you get another power, and I just got heal. And I just increase my max health. There you go. And then there's an inventory, which you collect things and build stuff. Like I built a walkway. And you can also craft stuff, which is pretty cool. And I'm just chilling here.
Yeah.
And I'm recording on Tuesday. And this video's probably going to be uploaded on another day. Oh, and you can make more hybrid animals if you get some gems and stuff. But I have 0 gems because I have no idea how to get them.
Who are you talking to?
YouTube.
You're not even on your camera.
Yes, I am. See, Mob is in. It's recording.
Oh. Wait.
You're on YouTube right now. I'm making a YouTube video.
You're not showing anybody's face, though, right?
No,
No, it doesn't show your face.
I'm just making a gaming video.
Okay, not showing anybody's face.
Okay. Oh, the Passover chips.
Oh, there's somebody here right now. They're mad at me.
Oh, I
They're mad
leveled
at
up. I leveled up.
They're mad at me.
There you go. I have a new power. I have lightning bolt level 2.
Look at.
So right now I have force push, heal, giant, lightning level 2, poison sting, screech, and spider web. And I am going to test my lightning powers on someone if I could find them, which I don't know if I can.
Oh, I have lightning.
Aha! Found him. Oh jeez.
I have lightning.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Jeez. No. Yeah! Take that. It crushed. But I leveled up. Level 47.
Turtle plus shark.
Turtle plus shark equals shell chomper.
Wait, it's screeching? What's that mean?
Screech. Oh, it confuses your enemy. I have it. I just don't use it. Here, look. Screech. Confuses your enemy. Common. Uncommon. Oh, I have an uncommon one. Common and common. I have one uncommon one. So that's good.
Oh, I just died.
And when you have a stone pickaxe, you can mine rocks and stuff. And and I also made a stone sword, and I have way too much stuff, so I can't do that.
A pig and a gorilla.
So I have. Where did my sword go?
Oh,
There.
a
A porky ape. So I have my sword, and it looks pretty cool, to be honest.
Your video's already 4 minutes long.
So I don't care. 5 damage. A nut? I got a nut. You're level 6. No,
Wait, what is
you're
it?
level 2, and you leveled up 0 things, and I'm already on level 48. I leveled up everything. I just need to level up one more time, then it's complete. It is full. Okay, I leveled up. 49 damage. I got a new power. It is Ram. Oh, it's a common. But still, that's pretty cool. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 powers. So force push all nearby animals. Heal your wounds. Squish other animals. I think I might shoot thunderbolt at your enemy. Poison your enemy. Confuse your enemy. Ram into your enemy. And stop. Huh? So, here we go. Yeah. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
This is my baby cousin.
Oh, I was gonna go up
Baby
here.
cousin. I'm all 6. I'm increasing my run speed. So why not?
Look at this is my baby cousin.
Here we go. That guy's level 41. Here, keep doing it. Crush him. Crush them. Crush them. No, crush them. Crush them. Yes. Leveled up.
And then you can back in juice.
Max. There we go.
We're gonna have to get all sorts of stuff at the store.
Yeah. Because Passover is a big meal.
Oh, she posted some.
What did you post? I leveled up.
Oh, look at this is my aunt. Wait, that's not my aunt. That's my aunt.
10 to 4 is when
Ooh, I just crushed him. Well, I still have one more point here. I had 2 points. 1, 2. Okay. Gonna be it for today. So anyway, bye.